What is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I've posted. I've been extremely busy, guys, getting some things together. But out again with my front wheel drive car. It's been a minute since I've driven this thing, and I do miss it. Shooting for that 2.9, as you say, it's all baby steps on this channel, because everything that I do, it's all research and development, aka that R&D. So therefore, out again, representing the zone as I really hard man, 876. That is it. But really out trying to just do some testing and tuning again. Have some simple greenery that I'm going to be using to prep the tires. They're already prepped, as you can see. They're looking nice and slick and sticky. But we'll be prepping while we do some test hits. So stay tuned and let's get some pulls in, guys. Okay, guys, so truth be told, what I did with this car is that I threw a 60 amp AC back into it, because I'm still not done getting the other AC back together. So that is why you're seeing these numbers. But this is also was done because this is an extreme budget build setup where people who are literally just getting into the hobby can literally go and get a 60 amp AC, which is, I think, no more than $60. And right now it's an 8.5 turn motor inside of it, which is what I had before, long time ago. So until all those things are sorted out, I just wanted to drive the car because whatever, you have to enjoy your build sometimes. But that is what it is. Gonna do some more pulls, but just letting you guys know that this is an extreme budget setup, and 8.5 turn motors again, maybe like $60 again. So that's 127 AC in a motor, and you can going out with your friends and having fun and doing 41 miles per hour, 3.8. But again, the AC is not really turned up. Again, it's on maybe 7 degrees timing, like I done before, which I blew the 120 amp AC. But let's do some more pulls and see what's going on. So again, an extreme budget build, but we're gonna see what's the best numbers we can milk out of this setup. Okay, so I'm guessing that the battery is dying. But yeah, guys, so guys, unfortunately I'm gonna have to cut the vlog short. But so far not bad. I got the car down to a 3.6. But as I said before, that anybody can get into this type of hobby, and I want more people to be a part of front wheel drive drag racing. There's TTO2 content, there is no prep drag with rear wheel drive cars, but more people need to join into the front wheel drive movement, and that's why I decided to slap this setup in there, and to work with it, because the other AC that I plan to put in this car, I got something sorted out, but it's not fully completed. And at the same time, I am ordering some stronger steering control arms and stuff. You guys will see when it comes in. But gonna be putting a little bit more strength inside of the car, and the places that it really needs it, and we'll see where it goes from there. Again, this is what it is. 60 amp. It's hardly turned up, and I pulled a 3.6. So I'm gonna up the time a little bit more when I go in, and then come back out and see what's going on. I do believe that this same AC with an 8.5 that's currently in the car right now can do the same time like what I did with the 120 amp with the 6.5. So like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, guys.